The Shalamites, good morning to you. My name is Governor Eziokwu, son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. The past few days you have heard on the internet where they said that the government acquired lands from our people in 2003/2006. As the day goes by, we are going to bring you details, informations on what truly happened. Then after all, I need you to check between we, the community, and these people who are the major liars in this whole thing. This is the agreement our elders wrote with those who came through General Olusegun Obasanjo, the then President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, for the same said land. But first, it will interest you to know that it was only for 2 hectares of land, 2,000 hectares of land. That was the agreement. As of today, about 30,000 hectares is what they have grabbed. And I want to let you know that as at then, we never even discussed of buying or outright selling or buying of the same said properties. Intelligently watch and read here. If it's difficult for you, the number I attached here, chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to send them to you. It was for lease, and our chiefs, our elders, our kings signed. The same said company did not sign. Go and verify. And there was a law that they will give 1.5 kilometer gap from the 4 square side of the same said land they say they want as at then. Today, check the capacity of lands they are taking as at today and check the one or what is written here. There were specifications for indigenes. The government as at then did not plan on how to destroy our schools, but rather they planned on how to pay compensations to our people. Go through this and have conscience. Chat me on WhatsApp with the number, then I will make these documents available.